power is limited, but divine power is unlimited. That's what I believe in. Okay, I'm going to break this whole thing. Probably I've got about 7-8 minutes. I'm going to break the whole journey of about 16 months in 3 parts. Being a founder member of this company, I joined in May 2015 when Acharya sir and Bhavna ma'am, they came to Mumbai. I was the first employee to join Taj, and I think I did not prove anything. The very fact that 1,000 people are sitting in front of us, because my role was to acquire partners, and I think I've done it successfully. Right? So part 1 is over in 1 minute. Okay, 6 more minutes to go. Okay, what happens is, I think all of us being humans, we face a lot of challenges, we face a lot of issues, and I was also faced with a lot of turbulence in my personal life. How many of you know that I was on a break for July and August? Many of you? अच्छा, जब भी मैंने ब्रेक लिया है, उसके बाद मुझे प्रमोशन ही मिला है. अब मैं ब्रेक के बाद आया हूँ, I'm a CEO. मैं लास्ट टाइम ब्रेक के बाद आया था, सर ने मुझे सीनियर VP सेल्स बनाया था. So I'm thinking I should take more breaks. Right, sir? Okay. So this break was not really a planned break. While I think I was taking the company, Taj Globe Limited, to new heights and on the right track, there were some people who came in my son's life. Abhishek, my son is here. And they started taking him on a wrong track. मैं कंपनी को सही दिशा में ले जा रहा था और उसके दोस्त उसे गलत दिशा में ले जा रहे थे. And there was a time I had to take a call. Do I still continue? Because I knew Taj has about 800 employees, but I knew that Abhishek only has me as a father, as a parent. And I had to put a stop, take a break, and this break has been a blessing in disguise for me. Because in those 2 months, July and August, I changed the school, I changed my residence, and by the grace of God, Abhishek is not only out of the bad company. In 1 month's time that I spent with him, his marks doubled. Okay, so whatever he is scoring, he started scoring double than that. And the best part is, today it's such an auspicious day. It's our, father of the nation, his birthday. It's Mr. Acharya's birthday. And today, my son's album is getting released. Abhishek, can you just wave to people? Can you get him a wave? You look at this young handsome dude. He's the budding CEO. अगर 8 घंटे में आपको ट्रेन कर रहा हूँ, तो 2 घंटे घर में मैं उसको भी ट्रेन कर रहा हूँ. ठीक है? He'll be the youngest CEO that will, come out, and I'm sure he'll join Taj. Okay, yes? You all are with him? Will you all bless him? That's wonderful. Okay, now there are a lot of good things happened. I mean, he moved because DMIT से मुझे पिछले साल ही पता था that he's very good in music. But somehow, we were not able to realize that potential. And as I said, this 2 months was a blessing in disguise. Because while I was taking care of him, putting him back on track, I remembered that last time also, about a year and a half, when I needed some guidance, I had attended a 2-day workshop of Mr. Sunil Parekh. So, this August में भी सर की एक ट्रेनिंग थी 11 दिन की. It was an 11-day training program, which is called Unleash the Power Within. And this coincided with my break. I went for this program, and that is where I got this power from. Unleash the power within. सर ने मुझे एहसास दिलाया कि पावर तुम्हारे अंदर ही है. तुम अपने पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम भी सॉल्व कर सकते हो और अपनी कंपनी को नई हाइट्स पे ले जा सकते हो. So can we hear it from Mr. Parekh once again? Level 10 for Mr. Parekh. Okay. So I came back on 1st of September, and I think I didn't have to utter a word. Mr. Acharya just asked me one thing. What is it that you've done? How come your entire body language, the way you talk, the way you walk, where has this power come from? That's where I mentioned, I said I've done this training, and we thought that apart from Discover Brain, we should collaborate and we should launch this program. और हम लोग इतनी जबरदस्त ट्रेनिंग देने वाले हैं, एक स्पीकर को मुझे सिर्फ अगर लोगों का पर्पस पता चल जाए कि उसका पर्पस लोगों को हेल्प करना है, ट्रांसफॉर्म लाइफ्स करना है. I have got Mr. Sunil Parekh, tremendous power, and I have another very, very, very powerful lady with me, Maria Pawar. Maria, can you just wave to people at least from there? Please, can we hear it for her? इसको बोलते हैं ट्रिपल पावर डोज. Okay, Mr. Parekh, मिस पवार, और एक पावर तो ऑलरेडी है आपके सामने। मेरे 25 ट्रांसफॉर्मर्स कहाँ हैं जिनको मैंने शॉर्टलिस्ट किया है, 10 पार्टनर्स और 15 मैं देखना चाहूँगा। Can you all stand? Can you all stand whom we have selected in phase 1? Can you all please stand? Can you all please stand wherever you are? Guys, can you see around? Now I am not speaking of the paper. The groundwork is already ready. Can we hear it for these 25 people? I think हम लोग लग रहे हैं। Come on, come on, come on. They need power, they need energy. Come on, let's get it for them. Come on, all the phase 1 trainers. Let people know that behind the curtains there is some work. Let the music come on. It's good, it's good. Come on, come on, come on. Super power. You also power. Come on, I can hear it from you. There are so many dynamic people. Can you clap better? सबसे बड़ी पावर है। एश्योरेंस और चेयरमैन ऑन हिज बर्थडे। सर मेरी गिफ्ट आपको एक ही है कि मैं पूरी दुनिया को चुन चुन के बदल डालूंगा, चुन चुन के। हर एक कंट्री में जाके, पहले तो सिटी में जाके, दिल्ली, पुणे, जो भी सिटी है, चुन चुन के बदलूंगा सबको। आर यू हैप्पी? ओके, आई हैंड इट ओवर टू द मोस्ट पावरफुल मैन इन आवर कंपनी।
थैंक यू। जब ब्रेक लेता है कुछ लेके आ जाता है। ये इसका लास्ट ब्रेक है, इसके बाद कोई ब्रेक नहीं है। ओके, सो यस, इट्स अ न्यू बिगिनिंग और एक जबरदस्त एनर्जी, जबरदस्त लोग, एंड इट्स जस्ट अ बिगिनिंग। और मैं चाहता हूँ और भी पार्टनर और भी एम्प्लॉय अलग अलग सिटी से हमको पार्टिसिपेट करें।